back to another episode of CS Slurps and Mystery Mondays. Today we're going to be making some leftover, spruced up curry ramen. So today is more of a ramen hack. I am obviously in a new space. I'm in my new home. I love it. I'm so happy to be here. I don't really have a lot of my things set up, so bear with me. But yeah, this is a really super easy way to spruce up your ramen. If you have a little bit of leftover curry paste or maybe one of the extra glico curry blobs, you're in luck because it's a really big game changer. And I cannot wait to show you how it's done. So let's go ahead and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!